Hi guys, and welcome to week 4. Hope the course is going well for you so far. This week, the week 4 due dates are as usual: discussion board Wednesday, homework Sunday, quiz Monday. And this week's content, the discussion board will be it's called socially acceptable dating ages, and it's about this article that's published in, I think, Psychology Today about addressing the question of what age range of people can I date. And so it's pretty interesting. There's some mathematical ideas proposed, and so you'll be dealing with that. The content will be this week wrapping up things with linear functions, and we'll actually be getting into out of constant rate of change and getting into constant ratio of change pretty soon. Now, at this point, I would normally wrap up the discussion board, but this was the first week for the DB team lead, so there is a team in charge of the discussion board. You probably noticed that in a couple of individuals who have posted more this week than others, and they've been in charge of that. So once I get their video, I will share that and post it in the DB team lead module. There's a link there for the videos. So that's pretty much it for this week. I hope you have a great week 4, and I look forward to seeing you in the next discussion board. Take care.